The recent regulatory requirement updates on creditworthiness and affordability assessment turned into a strong trigger for open banking implementations and the use of transactional data. The use of transactional data helps lenders stay compliant. It also provides a new viewpoint about the customers on top of the traditional onboarding tools. Hello everyone, my name is Buse and I work in the analytics department in Experian. My main responsibility is to help our clients develop scorecards to help businesses make more accurate credit decisions. Especially for new-to-business customers, businesses have very limited information about the applicant. It is limited to a few data fields that are provided by the applicant itself in the application forms or some extra checks from different data sources. There are also several tools that are used to make the best credit allocation decision, such as decline or referral rules, application scores, and net disposable income. However, sometimes these analytical tools are not sufficient to make an automated onboarding decision. There are some decisions to be taken on the edge, like an application score just around the cutoff or net disposable income around the minimum threshold. At that point, to support your onboarding decisions, you need more viewpoints about your customer in addition to the information they provide at the application. The transactional data may come from the full financial system, which is open banking data, or only from the business-owned databases. Both data help profile the customers based on their transactions and rank order them from good to bad payers in a different way than a traditional application scorecard. In Experian, we have two different approaches to use transactional data in credit decisioning. One solution is to use transactional data together with the application data to gain new view angles and improve the predictive power of your models. Second is a standalone transactional data-based scorecard to be used in sync with the other onboarding decisioning tools. We use machine learning algorithms or logistic regressions for model development. The output of the model is a transactional score and an attached probability of being a bad payer. For this kind of scorecard development, businesses should be able to provide the already categorized historical transactions belonging to their customer portfolio. The dataset should cover pre-application transactional data history, such as expenditures in supermarkets, in department stores, banking fees, cash withdrawals, debt collections-related transactions, etc., with an observed performance following the application. For many businesses, it is challenging to transform transactional data into meaningful characteristics. It is high-volume data, and its interpretation requires data manipulations and variable derivations. Our solution includes a developed algorithm to derive a lot of different forms of data, such as number of transactions level, volume level, maximum, minimum, or averages within given months. Thanks to our solution, we find the most predictive and the most meaningful transactional data-based variables in a short time. Our analytics team has in-depth knowledge and experience in transactional data use, in application and behavioral scorecards, and delivered several projects within the region. We have also performed, as EMEA region, generic transactional scorecard developments for both consumers and businesses. If your organization has also started to work with transactional data, or if you are considering how to get the best out of this data, please reach out to us. Let's start to discuss how to use it in the credit lifecycle. Thank you for listening to Experian Analytics Academy, Insights that Impact. Please make sure to watch the other topics in our academy and subscribe to our Analytics Academy newsletter.